to like the TWA Lounge.
Yeah, that's... What was that?
It's far.
How far?
It's like an hour away. Mass transit.
You excited?
Yeah. Just trying to figure out.
Oh. Hotel's right there.
TWA Ho. Woo! Now I'm excited. We found our way to the TWA Hotel.
How long it took?
An hour. An hour plus. Ooh, we're late. Because we reserved the table for 1:15. It's like 1:17 right now.
Well, they're very kind to have all these signs telling us where to go.
Yes. So we had to walk a little bit more to get to the front of the hotel. And I just wanted to say that if you follow me on Instagram, I tend to put more stories up of all of these locations, so you should check it out there.
Oh, look at the rooms. restored plane from the 50s or 60s, and it just kind of takes you back in time. It's really fun to just be in this space in all of its restored glory. You can see some of the original structure of the aircraft. You can see the original cockpit, which is really cool. They do take reservations for tables online, which is what we did, but I think because we came on a pretty off time, that there's not a lot of people here, so depending on the time you might not have to do that, but it's nice to just reserve because you know you'll have it for 2 hours straight, and then you tend to have like a nicer table, if you will. They have like benches, and then they also have the actual airplane seats that you can sit at, so yeah, it's a really fun experience. So now we made it to Brooklyn finally, and we're here to check out the transit museum, which is actually down there, so I'm excited to check it out.
It was fascinating to see the different maps over the decades. You could really get a sense of how the subway system transformed over time. Because the Transit Museum is situated at a decommissioned subway station, when you go to the lower level, you're able to see different train cars from different periods, and they have the period appropriate advertising replicated on the inside as well, which I thought was very, very interesting to see. Back on the upper level behind the restrooms is actually this section that focuses on above ground transportation, so trolleys and buses, which I also thought was very interesting to see.